Hello everyone, Guarda Wallet is here with another episode of Weekly Digest, where we will discuss the top cryptocurrency news of the passing week. First up, South Korea's top financial regulator suggests all crypto exchanges could be shut down. Of course, these news are concerning only the South Korea. During a meeting of the National Assembly's Policy Committee on April 22, Young Sung-so, chair of the Financial Services Commission (FSC), said the agency has yet to receive any virtual asset service provider (VASP) applications required under a recently amended law going into effect later this year. There are an estimated 200 cryptocurrency exchanges in the country, but if the current situation continues, then all of them could be shut down, he added. Of course, this isn't the first time when South Korea's traders have faced government-induced agita. In January 2018, the country's justice minister announced during a press conference that his ministry was preparing legislation that effectively prohibits cryptocurrency trading, and that the ministry's goal was to shut down all exchanges, because they were equating crypto with gambling. Well, South Korea has finally opened their eyes to the cryptocurrency. And of course this means more regulations, but we hope everything will pass over. Next up, Paxos becomes third federally regulated crypto bank. Stablecoin issuer and blockchain startup Paxos has become the third crypto-native company to score a federal trust charter through the U.S. Office of the Controller of the Currency, OCC. The national bank regulator announced Friday that it has granted Paxos a preliminary charter, letting the firm bring its new Paxos National Trust entity online as a federally regulated entity offering custody services, stablecoin management, payment, exchange, and other services. This is actually great news because more players on the market is good news. Since the bank's activities will be similar to those of an operating entity, general information as to the business model and operations of the bank is publicly available, the approval notice said. Also, in not so bright news, Bitcoin has fallen below the $50,000 psychological support line, hitting its lowest point in 48 days. Of course, other cryptocurrencies are also experiencing sharp sells, with Ripple and Ether both down 30% and 7% respectively, and Binance Coin is down 5.8%. But it's maybe just a slight drop before a high rise, and all the moon, new ATHs, and we'll see how the situation will go, and we will notify you on the next episode of Weekly Digest. Now, also, Chinese traders are having a little bit of a problem. The three largest Chinese Bitcoin mining hubs are facing serious headwinds from regulators. This could put a big dent in hash rate production, which is the computing power to mine Bitcoin. And hash rate from China contributes over 65% of the world's total, according to some estimates. A coal mine accident on April 10th has prompted the Xinjiang government to suspend and conduct an inspection on other coal mines. Of course, this is the kind of news that will bring more value to the Bitcoin, because if it will be harder to get it, of course it will get pricier. So, again, we will see how it will go to the next week, where we and Weekly Digest will notify you. As this week Bitcoin has suffered a slight drop, may receive a large buff. So just huddle away with your Guarda wallets and don't sell until it will reach an all-time high of all-time highs. If you understand what I mean, of course. And last but not least, more news of crypto adoption. Norway's central bank to test technical solutions for a CBDC over next 2 years. In an announcement, Norges Bank said the motivation for research into CBDCs remains strong, as many other central banks around the world are carrying out similar experiments. No timeline has been revealed for when a CBDC will be launched in Norway, but just for information, Norway's neighbor Sweden may have a CBDC within 5 years, according to Riksbank Governor Stefan Ingves. And that's about it for what I wanted to tell you on this episode of Weekly Digest. This is a pretty short episode, but stay tuned for more from Guarda Wallet and from the world of cryptocurrency. If you are subscribed to Guarda Wallet, you are not only supporting one of the best cryptocurrency wallets on the market, but also you are notified of all cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching.